Grandma,
What is it, my boy?
have you been outside yet? Aaniin, ezhiwebag.
Oh, it's really cold, my boy. They say it's a high of 16 below today.
16 below. Oh, wow. That's really cold. Give me one. All right, well, I'm going to do a podcast on the weather today. I'm going to do a podcast on ezhiwebag. Okay then. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I'm Nana BOOZHOO. And today we're going to talk about ezhiwebag, the weather. It's really cold today. And so if you're watching, I was just asking Grandma here. I said, Aaniin, ezhiwebag, how is the weather? She was like, give me one. It's cold. They say it's going to be a high of 16 below. And my truck is still frozen solid. I can't start it. I think Chad's going to come over and maybe give me a jump. I'll have to ask him. All right, so what can we say about the weather? Let's see. You know, it's the end of December, and it's always cold this time of year. But it's really cold this year for some reason. And in the Ojibwe way, when it's cold like this, the elders, they would tell us, you know, plug in a space heater, you know, put a blanket on. You can warm up. Eh. Yeah, okay. So there you have it. Aaniin, ezhiwebag, how is the weather? And today, brr, gimme one. It's cold. It's really cold. Gimme one. All right then. Okay, I guess I'll mahjong. You've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Yigawaba min, minawa. Hoa. Yeah, gee, Grandma, it's really cold today. I should get electric blankets. Do they still make those electric blankets?